Domihi animas trataratole, give me souls, take away the rest. Father Jan po, SDB. We are now in the 22nd Sunday in Ordinary Time. And the message of our celebration, our liturgy for today is napakahalaga, lalong-lalo na po sa ating mga Kristiyanong Katoliko, wherein we have so many traditions. The tradition that we fulfill day by day as an expression of the commandments and the teachings of Christ. Dito po natin nilalagyan ng laman ang ating pananampalatayang natanggap sa mga turo at mga utos ng ating Panginoon. Kung kaya nga po sa unang pagbasa, pinapakita po dito na Moses said, you should know the commandments of God. Because these things will remind you of who you are and who God is sa buhay natin. We have to know the teachings. We have to understand the commandments. No, para hindi tayo makakalimot, no? So that we can observe it day by day. So that we will be God's people and He will be our God by knowing and fulfilling His teachings, His commandments. Kung kaya nga po, ito po yung sinusugundahan ng ating pangalawang pagbasa. No, it's not enough for us to know our faith. It's not enough for us to understand all these things and memorize it. No? Kapag tinanong tayo, alam natin ang sagot. Pero the second reading is telling to us, you should know and understand so that you may be able to live it. Kasi sinasabi sa pangalawang pagbasa, we are doers of the gospel. What we have received, what we have understand, what we know, should believe in our daily life. Yun po yung sinasabi sa atin sa mga pagbasa ngayon. No? Pero this living out the faith that we know and accepted should do something in us. And that is the renewal of our hearts. The teachings is guiding us how to renew our life according to the plan of God. It changed us. Ito po yung dapat epekto ng mga tradisyon na ginagawa natin sa ating buhay. With all the things that we should be doing every day, we should know the purpose of it. We understand it, we live it, because we know the effects of it sa ating mga buhay. Ito naman po yung sinasabi sa ating Ebanghelyo, taken from the Gospel of Mark, chapter 7, 1-8, 40-15, and 21 to 23. Ipinapakita naman po dito that it's not enough to know, it's not enough to live, because baka naman you're just fulfilling the commands, but not allowing it to renew you and change you, because these commandments, this teaching, should touch our hearts and transform us to become a better person, to become like Jesus, serving, loving, caring His brothers and sisters. This is the effect of the teaching. No, baka kasing ang dami nating ritual, but it remains just a rituals. But it does not change and affects our life. Yung mga knowledge natin should move us to become a better person according to the will of God. Ito po yung tinuturo sa atin. Kung kaya nga po pag nagsisimba tayo tuwing linggo, no, gustong-gusto ko po na bago basahin yung gospel, may ginagawa po tayo. Glory to you, O Lord, that what I'm going to hear remain in my heart, and I may be able to proclaim it not only in my lips, but also in the way I live my life. Let your words, let your teachings transform me according to your design. Allow the teachings and the commandment touch my heart and renew me to become the best person that I can be. So my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, hopefully with all the things that we are doing, with all the traditions that we are doing in our faith, help us to become a better person by deepening our understanding and our acceptance of the teaching and the commandments of the Lord, so that we will be able to live it day by day. And as we live it, it becomes a virtue in our hearts and allowing it to transform us according to the design of God. So once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.